Okay, I need your guys' opinion. This is a tool that helps barbers make a perfect shape up. It's a tool that helps make a straight line. I need your guys' opinion. Do you guys think this is something a professional barber should use? I respect this guy a lot because he's very innovative. He's inventing things. I respect it, especially his blade is amazing. But what do you guys think as a professional tool? Would you actually get this out, put it on a client's head, and then start shaping it up? For me personally, I wouldn't. I just feel the skill of doing it freehand is what separates barbers from non-barbers. But I'm not gonna knock anyone who uses it, but I really want to know what you guys think in the comments, because I know a lot of people don't like this. But in terms of like creativity and a tool, I think that is pretty good. Leave in the comments below guys what you think.